Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change your email in Best Buy. First thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Best Buy account, which of course I have done right here. Now to trust you to know that Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its consumers' needs. Best Buy sells consumer electronics and a wide variety of related merchandise, including software. So now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is about, let's quickly hop into today's class, which is how to change your email in Best Buy. It's pretty simple. From this home page, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you have this Hi Amanda, recently viewed other specific items. So click on Hi, add your name, and that's going to turn standard window that has a standard option. So you have this account, purchases, products, payment, or subscriptions, down to account settings. Now click on account settings, and that's going to take you to the account settings window. So in here you have three categories: your info, account security, and connection. Now we want to change email, right? So head over to account security. You have an extended option. All right, the extended options: email addresses, change your password, set up two-step verification, and remember devices. You have passkey or basic fingerprint signing. So go ahead and click on email addresses. Now I have this email address verified for command 174, which is not a real email, but just created for this purpose. Now I can click on change my email address. So here you see I'm asked to verify my account. So you can verify your account using Google account, or you can text email code. Don't click on email code, but I don't want to do that. I want to use my Google account, and I have to go to the stress of having to copy and paste an email. So okay, so here's taking me to new password, but I'm not going to change my password, so I'm just going back to the home page. All right, so changing this email address, then they're saying that you need to change your password, right? So you can enter your new password and repeat the same password to confirm your new password, and click on save and continue. All right, and after doing that, then you might be able to change your email address. But I'm just going to click on this email code to this to see if that's going to work. So I'm heading over to my mail. I have added my code, and it's taking me to reset your password. So this is what Best Buy translates to know that you may not necessarily be able to change your email address without changing your password. So you can change your password, confirm your password, and click on save and continue, and it's going to take you to the next window where you may be asked to now change your email address if you'll be permitted to do that. All right. So this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.